Complete the addition square by finding the missing number. Means a minus b minus c minus d. We have to find out a, b, c and d. What is a? This plus this is a. This plus 6852 is b. This plus this is c and this plus this is d. We have to add them. We have brought the problem over here. Here we have brought it over. So just add these two. Let's find. Add them and you get these values. This plus this 41398. All these blah blah blah. You can check this yourself. So they get a equals to 41389, b equals to 32320, c equals to 21569, d equals to 12500. Now we require a minus b and c minus d. So a minus b is just subtracted, you get 9069. C minus d is again subtracted, you get 9069. Now we require a minus b minus c minus d. So 9069 minus 9069, 0. Answer is A. So this is the answer.